Ah, I'm on the pause screen. That is not what I wanted. Okay, now. I have to figure out where to go. Isn't that going to be an amazing thing? Okay, let's look at the map. What do we have here? Well, operating room. I've yet to be in. Where am I? The B2? Here's the B3, which doesn't have anything. Something here on the B2 is what I have to do, I think. I hope. Oh well, just look around is all I can do, really. Yeah, I forgot about these controls already. It's amazing what not playing it for a little bit can do to you. So, alright, this is where I was. Something tells me it has to do with this area here, but like I said, there's not a card I can seem to use on that door, even though I feel like I should be able to. That's the door I came from. That's the elevator, and this should be leading to a the operating room, which I thought I was in. Hold on. No, I was not in the operating. Well, yeah, I was in the operating room over there, so that's just kind of a hallway. The card reader to the side, but I can't use the one I have on me here. Yoshida's card. No use for this right now, so I cannot use it here. But I did learn that the room in the armament area is there was a card I was able to get, some sort of black card really early in the game, and it's too late for that. Check out shelter level B2, and that's exactly where I am. So I'm supposed to do something here. Well, all I can really do is go around and look at everything, touch everything. You know, typical stuff, really. So let's start by going to the room over here. You know, there's something obviously on this floor I'm supposed to look for. So I'm starting here. I read this journal thing already. Dr. Bowman, desktop PC, bunch of monkeys. It's a dead chimpanzee, its brain exploded. There's no other doors in here that I can see. There's an ammo box. Oh, it's already full. And looking around here. Food. Here is probably nothing. Get in. Get in, Aya. I don't care what this trash is. It's nothing in here anyway. It's just enemies. They wouldn't put anything in there. Alright, well, nothing in here. So, on to the next part. Here is where I used Yoshida's key card, right? Now, the operating room seems like the next logical step, I would think. Now, let's look in here. There's a locked door. Elevator hall, it's locked. So that just leads to the elevator hall, which is kind of useless when you think about it. Was that elevator hall locked on the top part? So that means it would act... Oh, it's just a shortcut to get to there. I see. What the hell? Why would that even need to be there? So that door has nothing to do with anything. It would just lead here anyway. Here's something I didn't check out. Something charred lying on this table. The op lights are all shattered. This looks so familiar. Wait, those charred restraints. The girl in my dream was lying on a table like this. Was that some kind of vision? Who is that girl? I think it's a bit of expanded text. Or I may have read it. It's just been a while. Just lab table from my dream. There's gotta be something here I can pick up somewhere. This feels like the most important area. An X-ray monitor, nothing unusual. How about the X-ray itself? X-ray of a skull. There's an implant in the brain. Looks like a child's skull. 15 months? I wonder what that means. The owner of this skull is 10 years old at least. Probably Aya. Probably. This must be an endoscope. There's a fiber optic lens attached. Nothing of particular interest here. You sure? Nothing more of interest here. Nothing more of interest here. This must be an encephalograph. They used one of these on me after the New York incident. Cool. Sometimes you have to hit things multiple times apparently if there's something extra. So nothing in that part of the operating room. And that takes me to the laboratory. The laboratory would be the next logical place then to have something additional. Hand washing station. Nothing unusual here. Someone left a white lab coat here. There's something in the pocket. Hello, just a bottle. Man, I gotta clear my throat. Should have gotten a glass of water before recording, but now it's too late, ain't it? Well, I got a bottle. It's just an item, really. It's gonna be a, yeah, question mark. Boom. Disposable eau de toilette sprays. Scent releases latent powers. Induce berserker. Why would I want to do that if it does on enemies? I never understood making enemies berserk other than it makes them lose control. But to me that seems like a bad idea because berserk enemies have... yeah, they have no defense. But if they get critical, they really destroy you. You going berserk makes more sense. An incubator. There's some culture flasks within labels. Eve 1, Eve 2. What are these? Eve. Scanning cells, graph colonies. These Aya 12, Aya 14. Why would my name be here? Yes, I know about that already. There was a computer thing they were talking about, but I have yet to be able to access. Or no, there's a book. I feel like I was supposed to, but I have yet to find what they're talking about. This would be great to see objects you can like. Here for me. For more info, see Eris, Volume 9 on the desk. Somebody scroll below. We'll return it soon. Yoshida. On the desk. Somebody scroll below. We'll return it soon. Yoshida. Yoshida has it then. So this means it's not on the desk. But where was Yoshida last? Terminals are disconnected. Clean bench. Wanley illuminated by a UV light. I don't know what Wanley means. Clean bench. That's the store crap. Nothing to store. I feel like that book is important. And I've been searching for it for a while. But it's like, where is it? Whoa! Password. Hey, that's new. Please enter password. What the hell is this? Examine. The wallpaper says Melissa Maya. How did I not find this before? Who could have known these names? A keypad. I can enter the password with this. Mel Sa. Now, can we log in with just Melissa or is it Melissa Maya? Push. What? Sounds like a car. Checking password. Error. What? Checking database. Error. Please try again. So it's Melissa Maya. Oh, this got one of the clunkiest keypads I've ever used. Checking password. Error. Oh, thank you. Error. Thank you. Thank you. How about just Maya then? Oops. Empty password. Error. Well, I know I have to use those names, or it's Melissa Space Maya, but you wouldn't use... Let's just should put Maya. Unless I'm spelling Melissa wrong, maybe? That's a possibility. I'm wondering if there's 2 L's in it, there's 2 S's. Apparently I don't know how to spell Melissa. Yeah. I'm probably spelling Melissa wrong, first of all. I have a feeling. Let's get out of here and see if I can see it again. No, I'm spelling Melissa right. Examine. Wallpaper says Melissa and Maya. Melissa Maya. Who could have known these names? Let's examine. I'm spelling it right. 2 S's. Unless there's a space in it. No! Not a V, you idiot. I know that's the password. There's something mentioned about that by Kyle. That's what the cars sound. Error. Checking database. Error. Okay. Apparently I don't know what I'm doing with this password. Okay, so I have to do something with that. There's something in my key items here. No. I could always go back to an old video for a reference point. Yeah, I'm gonna watch he says the password's Melissa Maya. It's kind of weird because what's CL? Clear, right? So the password is Melissa Maya, which is also back here. But for some reason, I'm not, either I'm entering it wrong. Maybe if I examine the password portion. This looks like a message window. Yes, it does. Let's display password. Of course, the letters are hidden with... Hold on. What is... Of course, the letters are hidden with... apostrophe... Oh, with stars. I thought that was like a thing. I know what the password is, but apparently I don't know how to enter it. Meh. A keypad. I can enter the password this. Meh. Eh. S. M. E. L. E. S. And I'm supposed to have a Maya in here too, it seems. Ma. E. Ah. Stupid worm on top. Apparently it doesn't work. Neither with a space. I mean, he told me the password. And this is where it belongs. But apparently it's not working. Password's wrong. Why is my password wrong? Why is my password wrong? Kyle told me the password for this. And yet for some reason I can't seem to enter it. I don't understand it at all. I mean, I'm looking for everything anywhere at all. It's not like the password's hidden somewhere. There's no hidden password here. Can't turn it off apparently. I want to find that book though. Where was Yoshida last? I'm not sure even that was mentioned. I thought I was told about checking everything for everything. I mean, I know that much already, but it's like... There's only so many things you can check, because I don't know, like, what's what. Hard to see, too. There's no password. The only password I got was from Kyle. I remember that much. Errors Volume 9 on the desk. Somebody scribble below. We'll try to assume Yoshida. I just don't remember where Yoshida was. The password Melissa Maya should work. Now, how do I enter it is a different question altogether. For some reason, this is becoming more complicated than I'm anticipating. There's no other passwords hidden anywhere. I've tried to check as much as possible whatever is around. There's no Yoshida room, is there? It's the breeding room. Armory, control room. I have not done anything with control room yet. It's not asking for anything. Probably eventually I'll need something with it. Oh, it's supposed to be down here. And whatever I need is down here too. I'm pretty sure the code he gave me was supposed to be for that computer. I mean, it says Melissa Maya on it. Unless it's Maya Melissa. Which I haven't tried yet. I should try everything. This is Dr. Bowman. Science has gone mad. Desktop PC. Yeah. I don't need to read this again. Nothing but lists of food. I don't need to read this again. There's nothing here. That's the only place that has like sheets worth anything. Well, I could try Maya Melissa. Or I have to make an anagram out of it, which would be ridiculous. I'm not gonna start making anagrams out of Melissa Maya Melissa. I only have one more option before I'm really stuck, and that is to reverse the letters. It's definitely here I have to enter the password. Examine. My E A M L U E S S A. It's the last thing I could think of before I'm out of ideas completely, which is probably wrong. Yeah, it's wrong. It's wrong, man. I have the code, the password, but for some reason I just can't seem to enter it. Is there a space? It's supposed to be entered somewhere. Maybe I'm hitting the wrong key by accident. This is where I'm going to be very tempted to look up. Man. Because he gave me the password, and this is the only place the password should work. Why it's not working, I'm really not sure. Because just Melissa doesn't work, just Maya doesn't work, the two names don't work, not with a space. Like, it says it's checking two things. Checking password and then checking database. What is with the database thing, though? Cartoon worm. Wallpaper says Melissa Maya. Masilem. Maybe it's backwards. I can enter it. Let's try it backwards like an idiot because I'm stupid. Yeah. Meh. Ah. S I L E M. I am not surprised, really. Whoa. Okay, the password's in the sleeping quarters, apparently. Do I want to go all the way there? Oh, wait a minute. Wasn't that where I was having... Oh, no wonder I don't remember that. Because I can't fucking fight the people there. Because they... There's the passwords up there. So, do I feel like an idiot again or not? For thinking I mean, what's... Like, what did Kyle give me then? Probably a different thing. Let's try the sleeping quarters, but the problem is there's enemies in there I'm having trouble fighting because I run out of MP. I can really only fight them using Parasite energy, so what I would have to do is try a different thing completely because the problem is killing the red ones is hard. I'd have to use really something else, and I don't know what is more effective against them. So, and I think I'm going to have to grab that note because there's no way I'm going to... Without looking it up. So, I mean, if you want to... Again, I know people have been fine with how I've been doing in this game, but it's like the fact that I had to look it up feels kind of like ridiculous a bit. Because I didn't go look at his sleeping quarters. Man, everything's so far away, the hints I find. And I'm surprised I didn't find... Like, is it a note you take, or is it something that you have to, like... Oh, I have to remember exactly what it is. Like, write it down. Sleeping quarters, man. I do not like this place. I hate this place so much. Look at this, man. Look at this. Now I can't even do it. All I can maybe do... I mean, they can't hurt me. Here it is. This is the magazine. Apparently, computer magazine. It contains computer magazine. I mean, here it is. You were looking for that computer magazine? There's a bunk bed here. Top Floyd Bomb Chandra. Doesn't have a handle. So apparently I was looking for that computer magazine. Now, I am going to be mute again for sure. Necrosis, I wonder. Oh, jeez. That might be better. So I could see them. Where are you? Oh, here you are. Necrosis works well on them, surprisingly. 100 MP too, so it's like I lost nothing. Shower. Water's off. Okay. Aries, September issue. An internet magazine. Special issue detective and protecting next-gen viruses. Next-gen viruses. Next generation virus fake keeper worm that opens a hole in password protection automatically changes the password it finds. The worm duplicates so over email messages, so once infection is detected, it's usually too late. Fortunately, the worm announces its arrival by displaying an animated caterpillar graphic on a screen, so you know if you've been hit and can move on to damage control. Once it enters the system, the worm works its insidious brand of magic by rearranging the letters of the passwords it finds in alphabetical order. Letters appear more than once are displayed with the letters and a number of times it appears. For example, the password CBABC would change to CB2C2. To top it off, the worm displays the original password on the screen just to taunt its users. Okay, that's our hint. Now it's an actual puzzle. Which I saw the password, but okay, so... Letters appear more than once to display with. So basically, if a... CBABC, AB... AB2C2. Wait, what? How does the A end up first? What does it do? Okay, hold on. By rearranging the letters of the password, it finds an alphabetical order. Oh my god! Oh my god! That's a freaking bad puzzle to deal with. So, do I get credit for still reading the hint, or have I ruined the LP? I know I keep asking that, but it's because I still feel like I should have found that magazine. That's what I feel like. I should have found that magazine and read the hint. So, the password that I was given was not really helpful by Kyle, because all he did was he told me that the password exists. But he did not tell me about the virus. So the virus was, that's what that worm is. It's that virus. So now I have to read it and make everything go alphabetically in order, but every time it's more than, if it's twice, Melissa. So S appears twice and A appears twice, I guess. I mean, that's why they put the password up there, so you can decipher it. Man, why are the hints always so far away? Hell, how come I didn't pick that up earlier? Because it wasn't an important item until now. Probably. It's too bad I couldn't pick it up earlier. You know, I think I did maybe see it, but she just kind of brushed it off. Only when I read that board was it able to be picked up. So now I have to decipher this password. Okay, so so we owe A to E Okay, also M appears twice in, so next would be I L M2 A appears 3 times actually. Holy hell. Though. Actually. So. Hold on. Does it condense it? The worm duplicates cell over email messages. Okay. The worm. By rearranging the letters of the passwords, it finds into alphabetical order. Letters appearing more than once are displayed with the letter and the number of times it appears. So, okay, so it appears 3 times. So it would be A3. So I don't have, so I can eliminate, I don't have to enter 3 A's, but I just have to say A appears 3 times. A appears 3 times. Then we go to E, which only appears once. I, L, M, 2, S, 2, and Y. It's hard to think about it. Oh, okay. Level E user access granted. Connected to host system. Okay, welcome Dr. Yoshida. Laboratory. Selection currently unavailable. Oh, thanks. Main files. Selection currently unavailable. Oh, great. Bulletin board. Selection currently unavailable. Is there a program? Please answer the following for verification purposes. Which neo-mitochondria victim caused the New York blockade incident? That would be Melissa Pierce. What name is given to the theory that humankind's origin lay in one ancestral species in Africa? Oh, mitochondria. Eve? What do the mitochondria produce by combining glucose, lipids, and oxygen? come on. You're asking me things I do not remember. This one I do not remember at all, so it's going to be like a guessing game. 2 out of 3 correct. Visitor status verification error. Okay. That's the last one I don't remember. Oh, God! Which method alters genes by delivering DNA via an artificial virus? Oh, I don't know. I'm not an expert in biology. Carrier? No, wait. No, the carrier is the vector, right? No. Vector? Who was declared responsible for the Manhattan incident? Mida? Which organism possesses mitochondria? Bacteria conditions. Oh my god, I don't even remember all this. How am I supposed to remember all this stuff? 1 out of 3 correct. I know which one I got wrong. Oh my god, I gotta play a guessing game now. Who was declared responsible? That was him, probably. Missed this, the FBI. And which organism bacteria? 1 out of 3 correct, so it's still the same one I got right. So I guess it's the CIA, isn't it? What is the name of the desert above this facility? The Mojave Desert. Which organisms possess mitochondria? It's not bacteria, and it's this one, crustaceans. Gene transmission in mitochondria is maternal, isn't it? 3 correct. Visitor access granted. Makes sense. Everything's from the mother in here. Select. Lab guide, research. 3 questions. 3 questions. What is an ANMC? Experimental life forms created under the second Neoteny plan. Neoteny plan, I guess. 3 question. What is the second Neoteny plan? The 2NP harnesses the evolutionary potential of neomitochondria to revitalize the human race. I didn't know it went anywhere. Stage 1. Obtain sample neomitochondria with latent power equal to or greater than that responsible for the New York incident. Stage 2. Administer sample to test the subject, whether design the subject's genetic profile to explore evolutionary possibilities in multiple ANMC breeds. Stage 3. Release humanity's true potential and preserve its vitality in the coming century through planned evolution. Question. Current results. Neomitochondria sample obtained January 1998. Stage 1 complete. Stage 2 ANMC creation successful. Some problems during testing. Problems resulted from the test subject insurrection. Will attempt repression using clones from the sample. Further access denied. Where was the test sample obtained? Man, this computer is very good at answering very specific questions. Of course. Aya Bray. Duh. ID? I'm not even gonna... Nationality USA. What's with the dots? What? But then... The ANMCs, those creatures are all my children. In theory. Oh. Why is the phone ringing? I gotta pick it up. Who's calling me? Hello, Aya? I know it's you. I'd recognize that big forehead anywhere. What? Kyle, you knew about me. Yeah, so what? It's not your fault, right? Got something else bugging you? Maternal instincts, maybe? Nasty toddlers. You bastard! If you feel responsible, clean things up. You are a hunter, after all. I guess so. Aya, hold on. I want to show you something. Get here as quickly as you can. I've sent data to your GPS. I understand. I'll be there right away. That's the spirit. I'll be waiting. Yeah, I'll save it. I don't know what Kyle's gonna do now, but I don't really trust him. Now he knows everything. Of course he accessed the thing. A hunter, Let me guess. Only elevator hall. Well, nothing really. All the way up there? Is that where he is? Is that the GPS working? Where is that? How come I never accessed it before? Well, I'll have to go up there then. Oh, elevator hall would be the fastest way, in theory. Wait, would it? Actually, no. I don't think it would be. Actually, oh, I know where that... Actually, no. Elevator hall is not the fastest mode. Also, I should check if I can level up any more of my P energy. I have 1519, so not really. It takes at least 1700 to level. Actually, everything's already level 2, so it takes like 4000 to level up to 3. Which means it's impossible. Still can't get over the fact that I had to look up where the location of that magazine was. At least I understood the hint, I guess. But I still don't feel so great about it. Just I didn't think I had to go look for that magazine. I remember now that it was there. And it sucks that you cannot preemptively pick it up as something interesting. So then you have to literally go all the way back up and find it. Have to remember that where he took it. So this is where I have to go. Now it's open. I can't get over things like that very easily. That's the problem. Even though people here probably are being a bit more forgiving than I am. 100 HP. I don't like the look of that. What the hell is this? I have to fight Kyle now? Oh. Small Aya. Amazing, huh? I feel neomitochondria, millions inside. Yep. This thing's a living reactor. A kind of neomitochondria gene factory. If this hatches, we'll have a flying badass beastie. Spray neomitochondria via vector viruses as it grows. If it gets outside, bye-bye, Western US as we know it. Nothing will be gone. And it won't stop there. The virus invades host cells and sends mitochondria into the nucleus. Infected humans will reproduce. Global evolution, and this time natural selection is against us. Why? So this creature was made from me? Strictly speaking, your mitochondrial DNA transformed it. It changed from human to ANMC. It was human, but now it's lost whatever humanity it once had. This catch is we can't use firearms on this baby. Or the virus will spread. You got it. Luckily, it should stay in the chrysalis for a while yet. Are you sure? The mainframe I hacked said so. Oh, you're gonna trust the mainframe? There's a chamber in this living reactor. A cockpit. It's waiting. Waiting for someone to get on board. Probably Aya. You mean... Right. There's a pilot hiding somewhere in this shelter. Oh, wait. Oh. Let's get him before launch time. Right. Leave him or it to me. Oh, great. Now we gotta go on a hunt for someone. And he's just... Oh, now he's gonna eventually fall along. Well, no, not really, actually. Stairs. Apparently, I gotta press A. I keep forgetting. A whole bunch of stuff here. This monitors the Poopa creature. Is this a life support system? Boop. Oops, I activated it. What? Oh, cameras. Arc cam. Examine. I can use these to touch panels to switch cameras. No one here. one here. I'll have to wait. Operate? Examine. Operate? These panels look like touch sensors. Oh. What the hell is this area? Is that the place I couldn't go because my mitochondria was reacting? Camera left. No, there's nothing happening here. Arkham. That name sounds familiar. Starts like Arkham, like from Batman, but I don't think that's what it's talking about. Alright, so we have to pan to find someone. This is camera D. We've already been right. Security on. Oops, I don't need item on it. That'd be weird. Security off. Which room is this? I turned security off? What? Operate. Oh, I see. Open, probably. What is this place? I don't know. Probably when I see my map. Lights on. Okay, I would not want to turn lights off. Lift off. Well, lift, go on. Lift on. So now I need to figure out exactly what I've been doing. This one here seems kind of pointless. All you do is pan. It says here. There's nothing here. Cam D. This indicates which camera is on. Yeah, alright. That's all I can do for now. Whoa! This touchpad says Prev. This must be the shelter area, like the up, yeah, the up portion. Neo Arc. Neo Arc. B3 shelter. Hello. This is because there's enemies everywhere. B2 shelter. I don't know how helpful this actually is. I mean, we're up here. This did not seem helpful at all. Well, I should have opened up some stuff here. Aha, of course. Enemies galore again. Okay, one of the lifts should start working again. See, I don't really know what I opened up. Wait, maybe that door over there. Because I noticed there's a whole area, the underground parking I have yet to access. The only thing I can think of is I might have to end up there because I noticed that it's not locked anymore. Or do I need a key card? Why did I not access it yet? I did not find anyone, but the camera looks to me more to like it was to do certain things. Alright, you guys. Kyle, you're not doing anything at all. What? You're using a grenade launcher? I mean, it's good, I see, but I don't know. It seems like it'd be kind of too powerful. I don't think it's that way. Hey, my hunches are usually right. Hey, what do you mean you don't think it's that way? There's a whole area here I've yet to explore. There's a telephone over there too. I didn't notice that. You think it's this way? There's a lift here. Go down? You're gonna allow me to go down? Where are you? What is this? I think I've... Kyle! That's a bit excessive, don't you think? He's not gonna stay here for long. Sturdy looking door, of course. Well, it could be that lift. Could be. How much you want to bet enemies here too again? He's just gonna blow them to smithereens. Yeah. Oh. Can't see them even. Where are you? There you are. He's not really doing... wasn't really doing much. He's kept coming up and down. It's not that way. What if I wanted to go back and get some ammo, you fool? I'll presume it could be this lift. Maybe this one works now? Does it? Where would it even take me that's different? It works. Wait, wasn't I just having trouble with a button before? Ooh. Sounds nice. Mr. President!
Excuse me, sir.
What?
Yes, come in.
What the fuck is this? Hello, Mr. President? What is it? A report from the mole we sent into that organization, sir. Missed. Yes. He's found it. I see. Well, destroying the target would be difficult, but there's another way. Kyle's the mole, I guess. Are you sure? If you would give Op D3006 permission, just in case.
Oh,
yeah. D306? That SDI relic? It's our insurance plan only. If I must. You have permission. Thank you, sir. Congress doesn't need to be involved in this. I am usurping Congress. I shall veto everything else. Ooh, cutscene. What? Space? Space station? Elephant? What? What is it, a nuke? Or an intergalactic space laser honed in on the target? I mean, we're in an underground shelter. You're gonna have to nuke a lot of things to get to us. Alright, definitely enemies down here. I've never been down there. Here we are. Why is this even this? I don't know. Anyway. Checking the time. Whoa! You just went on fire. I guess your mitochondria can't handle it. Kyle! The heat. My body's on fire. Hang in there. I'll pass. It'll pass soon. Not I'll pass. Just like last time. When you pointed your gun at me. You mean you noticed? And you were playing dumb. Nay, so entranced by your beauty I was that... What's with that? Well, smartass. I want you topside resting. It's my fight from here on. I was being serious. Ouch. Ouch. That's all he has to say. Ouch. Well, I knew he wouldn't last long. They give you him and then he's gone. Let's see now.
welcome to New York.
Enjoy natural environments recreated from around the world. It's a museum. Tropical rainforests. Coniferous forests. Savanna. Coral reefs. Tundra. Greenhouses for each climate. Reproduced temperatures. Humidity, soil conditions, flora and fauna. Are a new human adapt to each environment. Adapt to each environment. We'll begin our tour with the Savannah Zone. Remember, some fauna are carnivorous. Please stay on the path. Any ANMCs down here? Why is Kyle still have an HP? He's not down here. Oh well, let's take the tour. I'm having trouble getting inside though. Savannah, here I come. Sounds religious, the music. Nothing yet. I'm expecting something to appear soon. Could be hidden. This doesn't look like the savannah at all. Oh, because we're still inside, like, the transition. It's locked. Oh, that's pointless. Maybe that's not the savannah. Maybe there's another entrance I need to take. Doesn't look like it. Savannah is not even around here, but there is another side to it I guess I should go to. Yeah, that's probably what I gotta do. Go on this side, maybe. Well, first of all, let's look at this. Choose a topic. Intro. Maybe you may already know that the ANMCs appearing in New York City began as other organisms before their miraculous transformation. Thanks to neomitochondrial telomerase activity, even cell aging is a thing of the past. A drafter's pen has been at work on God's blueprints for life. The results are here for all to see, the artificial ANMC. The future is bright for this latest step in human evolution. That doesn't sound that great. Create an ANMC. First, an externally controllable form of neomitochondria is placed on a vector virus and injected into the test subject. The virus multiplies, carrying its genetic package to host cells. Stimuli are sent to the neomitochondria, causing host neoteny. Neoteny, the retention of juvenile characteristics in an adult organism, eternal youth. The test subject's body reverts to a prepubescent state. The neotenized subject now has the growth potential of an infant. Yet in our labs, they can freely choose how they wish to develop. All we do is help the new ANMC adapt to his or her environment. In this way, evolution is achieved in a single generation. An entirely new original organism, an ANMC, is born. While in the laboratory, those ANMCs still in development are assisted with life support. The result from these group tests will allow us to perfect the procedure. Mental abilities not needed for daily life are suppressed to avoid host confusion. Ideally, mental activity will be permanently suppressed in all subjects, save for a few, to promote cooperative group behavior. We've heard nothing but 100% satisfaction for our now eternally youthful test subjects. Well, you pretty much got rid of their descent, so I'm not really understanding the point of all this yet. Other than, like, to be young forever, but it doesn't even really count as an evolution to me. But maybe I'm just misunderstanding what they're trying to do in the grand scheme. Touch the glass barriers in the testing area for a guided tour. Not here, obviously. Should be. Okay, yeah, you see there's a whole area here. The big ass door. Another stairs. Let's go down. Maybe Savannah's here. We have a place kind of like this. It's called the Biodome. Oh yeah, that looks like a desert or a wasteland. I'm not really sure which one. If it's locked. No, it's not. Yeah, we have a place that recreates different climates for houses, animals, though, not monsters. There we go. Oh no! Camel! I mean, we're in the savannah now. Freaking phone. Oh my god! Maybe necrosis will be better. Actually, no. What? Where'd you come from? He doesn't look like a happy camper now. My combustion just, like, massively failed. I hate those guys so much. That was a lot of waste of my MP. I hate those camel things. I have to try and run away from them every time. At least I recovered a little bit there. My MP. Hey, the glass broke. That's not fun. Shrine. To what? Nothing in here apparently, but I can't trust that. Okay, this place is bigger than I thought it would be. Apparently there's no enemies, but again, I don't trust it. I've been bamboozled before. I guess it's supposed to be like an Egyptian shrine. Oh, hieroglyphics. The panel with 15 marble blocks. There's one empty space without a block. A game for visitors. You move the blocks to solve the puzzle. Don't tell me. Oh, God, no. First of all, what am I even trying to solve? I think it's just a useless... Like, what am I trying to solve? I know how to play these games. You gotta keep doing it. You move it like that. And stuff. But I don't even know if I'm supposed to actually play this and solve something. Oh, I kind of see it. But at the same time, I don't understand it because, look, I have the yellow thing going here. The red going across and the blue. But that doesn't make sense because then they would always somehow hit each other. Unless I have to, like, activate something by doing that. Okay, my goal would be to get one yellow up here. Okay, should work. Examine. There are strange lines running down, across and diagonally. They're colored like the blocks, red, blue, and yellow. See, I got a yellow one going. Now, do I have to do it in a specific order? If that's the case, you know what? I probably don't have the clue yet. It's probably like a power source or something. I don't know. There's this large stone box in the hole. No good. It's too heavy to move. Pointless. No enemies here. Like, I understand the puzzle, I guess. What the? Oh, God. Okay, a shrine engraved with hieroglyphs. They are each surrounded with different colored frames. I wonder what they mean. Fish, eye, X, and crown. Is that what you're telling me? This is going to be a tough one. Like, so from the top to bottom are we looking at here? Fish, eye, X, and crown, I said, I think. Fish, eye, X, and... But I did it in that order. I can't get them all at the same time. You're asking for the impossible. Or am I supposed to do it like... unless I'm supposed to do it in the order it shows here too? Because red first... Does it matter? So, kneel, feet, thing, and square. Kneel, feet, thing, and square. You like my way I'm remembering it? Kneel, feet, thing, and square. Oh my God, really? Whoa, 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 hold on, hold on. What the hell? I just got locked in. Great, enemies. What did I do? Hold on, I was trying to figure it out. I can't see, apparently. I can't see, apparently. Grossness doesn't really work. I can't even get them! Combustion! They're too close! Oh my God, really? Oh my God, they're always too close to me! There we go, dead. I'm not going to recover that MP. See? So now I'm trapped in here until I figure out what I did wrong. Okay, what happened? Okay, I see this thing here. It's kind of weird. Okay, it opened up. Kneel, feet, thing in square is what I said. I just completely mucked it up. You're not even giving me a chance! You keep freaking closing it every time So basically I can't really do anything here because as soon as I try and move, it's gonna keep closing it there. Why? So I have to keep something in there at all times apparently. Look, now I have to move this one. It's gonna close it. And I have to keep going back into the damn game. Really? Oh well, I just gotta keep going in a circle with it. Anything? Oh, how do I do this now? Nothing? Nothing? Kneel feet thing in square, you idiot. If I'm even doing the right order, I have no idea. A metallic sound in the distance. Really? Well, I figured something out, but those enemies were annoying because I couldn't shoot them at first. Maybe I just wasn't aiming properly. I don't know. Maybe I just wasn't aiming properly. Like, how distant are we talking about? Great, I should really end this part. I should really... Yeah, I'm going to end this part, and I really need to save it, actually. So I might head back up before anything else. Alright, so next time, first I got to go back up. I got to go do some stuff. Especially maybe recover myself. And then I'll meet you back down here. So long!